So for this video, we will simplify this expression. Okay, so 1 over square root of x raised to 4 minus 3 times the square root of x raised to 3. And this one, everything is raised to 2. So, ang atong buhaton ani una is again, kining 4 nga atong raised din kung exponent, ato na siyang i-distribute tagsa-tagsa. So, atong numerator o sa atong denominator. Take note that square root of x, pwede nato na siya isulat as x raised to 1/2. Okay? Then, kini pong 3 din or kining 2 din ato po na siyang i-distribute. Butang nato sa 3. And this one, kining si square root of x raised to 3. Okay? Ato man na siyang masulat as, 3/2. So, parihara na sila. Okay? So, pwede na ito ni siya pod kining 2 i-distribute diri sa atong x raised to 3/2. So, karon ang nawong ana, mahimo na siyang, okay, butang equals 1 raised to 4 over x raised to 1/2. Dayon ang atong 4, kaya ato man ang i-distribute, butang na to din minus, okay, distribute 3 raised to 2. Then kinipod, atong x raised to 3/2. Okay, butangan na nato na siya parenthesis. Okay, 2. Now, 1 raised to 4 is still equal to 1. Kung kining atong x raised to 1/2, then ay 4 din i-raised to 4, kini siya, ato ra ni siyang i-multiply. So, 1/2 times 4, mahimo na siyang 2. Mahimo na siyang 2. So, ato nang ibutang din over x raised to 2 minus 3 raised to 2 or 3 squared is 9. Then kinipod again atong x raised to 3/2. So kining 2 din atong i-multiply na siya sa 3/2. So pag i-multiply sa 3/2, it will become 3. So that will become x raised to 3. Okay? So, naa na kay answer sa imong problem. Okay? So, actually, you can rewrite this one for the x raised to -2. Kaya whenever you kanang imong ibalhin, imong x squared from your denominator to your numerator, it will become x raised to -2, no? If ato ning ibalhin, kini siya paingon sa taas. Okay. But then again, this one is your final answer. This is, of course, acceptable. Bisag dili na nato ibalhin sa taas.